In these days of flexible working and schooling, both parents and kids are spending more time under one roof while they are remote working and teleschooling. A segregated space within the home, in an ambience that emulates an enterprise corner office, is essential, both for family privacy, well-being, and work conduciveness for most sedentary roles. Virtually There Tech presents Quality of Experience in Remote Work. Experience the best of both the worlds, life and living. Log into the future of work, now, from anywhere. Tap into wider career prospects from wherever you are, from myKabin platform. Safety and well-being first. Sedentary professionals deserve a noise-free, well-lit, intrusion-free, well-ventilated ambience, and ergonomic posture in a designated workspace to perform safely as per compliance. Data privacy, design secrecy, call confidentiality from a no-spillover dedicated workspace carved out within one's own home, is a remote workplace imperative. A client-attorney or patient-doctor conversation confidentiality is now extensible to most data processing sedentary roles that can be performed from anywhere. Work-conducive ambience matters. This one-time career enablement investment in home improvement ensures a lifetime freedom from commute stress, opens a wide vista of high-value remote career opportunities at wherever you are. It empowers you with work ambience conducive both for availability-centric contracting roles and scope delivery jobs without a bias against your home location. Having access to a dedicated immersive work ambience winning enterprise trust in or within an ace of one's own home implies better work enablement. That translates to best customer experience, deeper job satisfaction, organizational growth, and hence career progression.